tell me how the fire's affecting you?
I live at the entrance to Runyon Canyon, so my building's probably going to go.
And are you ready to go? You're just evacuating out of car?
Yeah, I just packed up my car. I'm waiting for my partner.
Thank you.
Probably not the best way to get it. Initially it was, now it's not, as it's further hopefully down the hill.
Forward! 294, just for restoration, 2137 South, Dunsmere Avenue.
Gridlock all the way down to the heart closure of the brand.
Recommending a
Can you tell me where you're going? Are you just walking or are you...
Yeah, walking.
You think it's better to walk in your car?
You can't get out unless you walk.
Stay safe.
We'll go on YouTube. It's plenty of fires. Come on.
Make your way down the street. You guys gotta get out. You guys gotta get out. Come on, let's go. Yes, sir. Get out the street, please.